All right, good morning, good afternoon. Today I wanted to go over how to solve a problem that looks like this one. This is one of the first problems on your GCF video. It's where you're given a area model and you have to determine the length and the width using the greatest common factor, monomial factor method. So before I got started, I looked over my notes and I looked at the video, and this is what we had for the video that preceded this. So here it says factor the polynomial by its greatest common monomial factor. All right, and we go through the certain steps. The first thing he does is finds the GCF, or greatest common factor, of 8 and 12, meaning the largest number that goes into both 8 and 12. So we're going to do the same thing here. All right, we want to find the GCF, the largest number that goes into both 12 and 21. So let's just kind of think about the numbers that go into 12. So 12, what numbers can you divide into 12? 3, 4, 2, 6, 12. Okay, those numbers all go into 12. All right, and what numbers are going to divide into 21? So the numbers that divide into 21, let's see, 3 times 7. I can't really think of any other ones. I can think of 21 and 1. All right, so it looks like our GCF for this problem would be 3. 3. Okay, so our width is going to be 3. So one of our factors would be 3. Okay, and then we're going to have something in parentheses, whoop, 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 like this, right? So just to kind of start off, in his problem, he has the 4 right there because the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. So you kind of see where we did the same thing for both of these. They put a double screen, right? So you see that's the first step. 3, this guy says it's 4. All right, so our next step is that then we want to kind of figure out, well, it's more than that. We have 12y squared and 21y to the 5th. So you want to think about this as being the same as, instead of writing it as 12, think of this as 3 times 4 times y times y. 2 y's because it's a y squared. You guys see that? And let's think of this right here as being 3 times 7 times y times y times y times y, all these y's, because it's y to the 5th power. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's. So what we want to do is we want to take out the greatest common monomial, right? Monomial means that we might have a variable with it. And we notice that here, what am I doing that for? Okay, we notice that here, I just wanted to pick a pretty color because we have 2 y's here and we have 2 y's here. So actually, we're going to put this into our greatest common monomial on the outside. So we're going to have 3y, or 3y squared. Okay? Now, what's left over? Okay, so we used our 3 on both of them, but we didn't use this 4. So that 4 will go on the inside. All right, because we didn't use that 4. So it would be 4, okay, plus, and we didn't use this 7 or these 3 y's. So plus 4 plus 7 y, okay. So our final answer would look like 3y squared parentheses 4 plus 7 y. So our shortcut way to write y times y times y would be y to the 3rd power, okay? That's what it would look like. So to answer this, we would be typing in 3y squared, okay? And then here, so that would be our width, all right, because it says the length and the width is the greatest common monomial. And then I didn't want to do that, okay? And then this right here would be 4 plus 7 plus y, that's an ugly plus sign, 7y to the 3rd. Okay, and make sure that 3 is up in the exponent, or else they're going to say it's wrong, and you don't want them to do that. All right, so I thought we would go over this problem because I noticed a lot of the students got this type of problem wrong, and maybe it's helpful to hear it using my voice. I'm going to link this to the assignment page. All right, thank you.